And with this closing note, I hope you all of the product community and the technology community, product leaders, entrepreneurs who joined our sessions on the product management track got a sense of what it takes to run a product organization as a leader, the challenges that you face, and some very insightful solutions that came through our panel discussions on growth, on building product organizations, on on customer discovery. But let me just kind of take a step back and kind of, if I look at it from a 10,000 feet level, there are three or four key challenges that product leaders face. And I'm not talking about, when I say product leader, it doesn't mean someone in hierarchy having a certain level. You could be a leader of a product or a leader of a product team or of a portfolio, but it's a leadership challenge, right? Now, one is, how would you settle down and build an organization or team around your product of product management? And it's a challenge. It's a problem we are still solving in India. Product management is still evolving as a function, as a discipline in India. It kind of lags in terms of development, whereas engineering, engineering delivery, sales, marketing have gone ahead a lot more. So one of the things that came out in the panel discussion was that India still lacks a lot of this mix of product leaders who understand not only the discipline of product management, also the business and technical sides, but are good people leaders. And without that, it becomes very hard to mentor and guide other product managers and understand their problems and be able to resolve this in a holistic manner. So definitely one of the things that we need to build in our in the India product management ecosystem is a good set of product leaders that will define how organizations better understand the function and are better able to invest in this function. Second thing is, as a product leader, you don't want to be losing insights around your customers, right? You don't want to build a product that is built in an ivory tower far away from a customer without really understanding their needs, their pain points, and so forth. And Teresa Torres spoke beautifully on the customer discovery process that makes sense. And some of the things that really stayed with me, and I hope they stayed with you, were that customer discovery is not a one-point exercise. It's an ongoing exercise. You don't do discovery and forget about it. You continue to repeat and iterate and exercise that discipline over and over and over, and you get more and more insights and empathy for the customer that you are serving. The third problem that we wanted to discuss in this product management summit was about growth. And very insightful conversations came from the leaders at Zscaler and Walmart, where at a top level, it seems growth is about revenue, and it is about number of customers, right? And depending on the stage of the life cycle of the product, if it's an early stage product, very likely you will not focus on revenue as much. You will likely just focus on getting as many customers and see how this pans out. You will probably in e-commerce depend a lot more on spending money on affiliates and SEO, SEM, and try to kind of get customers through that process. But really, what is it about, right? I think eventually it boils down to, when you want to grow a customer base or revenue, it has to be built on a good product. And what does it mean to build a good product? It means to have customer empathy and customer insight and be very close to customer. And without that entire growth and whatever else you do about it, it doesn't make any more sense, essentially. The other very interesting insight that came from Manoj of Zscaler was the point that if you are in B2B, then you have to also remember to influence some of the industry analysts, because that is where B2B buyers come to know about your products, essentially. So that, in nutshell, is a lot of learnings and insights that we got from this product management track. As we go forward in building India as a product nation, I hope you take these learnings with you and join us as the NASSCOM team and team of volunteers in this transformation journey of getting 50,000 product managers in the next years in India. Thank you very much.